So those Fed rate cuts did not make a dent in the housing market. It didn't bring home buyers or first-time home buyers back like they expected it to. So we had the election, and this was just a desperate measure to protect wealth and to keep wealth. And what I mean by this is that many homeowners have listed their homes over market value. Very, very, very greedy. And most homeowners have 2 to 3 homes. And they're trying to unload those homes. They don't want to refinance because if they refinance, they're going to have to refinance at a higher rate. Mind you, when the Fed cut the rates, it only stayed low for about a week. And then the rates went back higher to its normal rate. So this election was, and what Trump did was he talked the money talk. I'm going to improve the economy. I'm going to bring jobs back over here. It was a great speech. It was a great spiel. Most people fell into it because they're trying to protect their wealth. They're trying to reserve their wealth. Yes, the stock market is going bananas, but we don't know how long the stock market is going to be going up. It can crash at any minute. But people who hold real assets, as Robert Kiyosaki would say, we need to protect the wealth in those assets and preserve the wealth in those assets before everything crashes and tumbles down. So Trump was the hope to get this economy roaring again so that the banks would be saved and off the hook for the commercial real estate going in its disastrous downsizing ways, and to protect homeowners who wanted to get all the equity out of their homes, and lower inflation so people would be able to afford those homes that are overpriced on the market. Because these homes are sitting on the market longer than expected. They're not moving. Nothing's moving. People would rather rent than to buy a home because there's a large cost in the mortgage payments, also upkeeping the home. And then we have high inflation. So it's digging into many people's pockets, even the ones that have money. They're seeing their wealth, they're seeing what they saved diminishing day by day, month by month. So the forecast for the real estate industry for the next 5 years is you're gonna have homeowners that's gonna try to get as much equity out of their home as possible. Whether it's overpriced, whatever. The realization is gonna come into the middle of next year when they can't get rid of their homes and there's gonna be a deep discounted sell-off. Yes, everything sounded good. We're gonna bring jobs back. We're gonna lower inflation by, rejuvenating oil, getting energy prices lower so everything else can go lower. But inflation is real and it's here to stay. Listen, things don't turn around so quickly. Even with energy prices, inflation, it takes about 5 to 10 years for inflation to go down. This is what they're not telling you. They're misleading the public. It takes time for inflation to go down. It takes time for people to get up on their feet. And we're seeing massive layoffs. You just saw a massive layoff with Pepsi. They just laid them off out of the blue. There's a whole bunch of companies that are laying people off out of the blue. Commercial real estate is in trouble. Residential real estate is in trouble. Only thing that's gonna bring it back is time. Time and commitment to going through and seeing what the problem is due to inflation, due to unemployment. Now, employment is gonna there's really no hope for unemployment because now we have this new technology called AI.